Hey guys, welcome back to Life with 18 Cats, our members only stream. I am chuckling because, oh my God, I so love that intro. And Jenna, you nailed them all. You got them all so good. That's so awesome.
Oh, hey, cats. We're doing it.
Oh, hey, Kim. I'm so happy you love it. I saw that comment yesterday I think it was yesterday. I saw the comment. Somebody from the community said it would be really nice if you could have their names on it. And there you go.
Oh my God, it's so good. I love it so much. Oh my God.
Oh, good. Yay. I'm so
happy. And it's
happy.
so funny because I know there's 20 cats, but this is where my mind goes. I'm watching them all scroll by, and all of a sudden we're at Hannibal. I'm like, wait a minute, that was 20 cats? It didn't seem like 20 cats. I'm like,
yeah. It's like 2 seconds a cat.
Exactly. And I'm like, they go by so fast. They're so cute. I just love it so much. You did a great job on that.
Thank you.
And I think you're right. I think you're right to do the names. I think the names actually added just that little touch.